this creek. Not sure the name of it. Kind of found it totally by accident, but we found this awesome little piece of Native American history. The Indians just take these trees and tie them over and make them grow this way to mark the direction of creeks or game trails or things like that. And as you can see, this one here points straight at the water, but really what's more interesting is it also points straight across to this low-lying section here where there is a giant game trail that comes through, and it comes out somewhere around over there somewhere, and then it comes across this bouldery section of the water, and that trail continues on beyond this little bend. But that's what that is right there, and judging from the size of it, it's been there a long time. And Charles is pointing at the game trail. Pretty neat. Oh, look what we got here. Some deer tracks. People tracks, deer tracks. Is that a dog? Is that a cat? Is that a dog? Is that a cat? I don't know. I don't know. I would say dog. Probably came with a person.
He looks all graceful when he does it. I literally had to jump off it. That one?
Yep. It's sturdy enough.
Yeah, it seems that way.
Just gotta do it, man. Gotta go straight.
I know, I was trying to get on there straight.
Found a big glider in the water. All right, we're gonna do the big challenge here. We're gonna take it out, let it dry out, and see if it still works. So that big rock came out of right in that hole. Site tonight. It's gonna be right over here. I'm gonna put a hammock up between those two big trees, and Charles is gonna put one up underneath there, between that tree and that tree, and we're gonna call that home for the night. Right down over this way, behind the truck, there's a trail that leads down to the creek. Right there's another trail that leads down to the creek, which there's crayfish and all kinds of cool swimming holes and all. Kind of on a weird little loop here going around. But we're gonna call it home for the night. It's all set up. We got Charles's hammock right there. Got a nice little chair set up, my hammock over there. Able to park the truck right here so we can use the tailgate here as a seating area and a cooking area and all that good stuff. Kind of tucked away in the bushes here, just like I like it. Okay, so back to that big challenge. It's the one I found down in the river. There it is, still working, down in the river. Top's even all rusted. All jacked up. Everybody talks crap on these things in the survival network place, but you know what? You can't beat a big ladder, man.
Got the waterfall that comes off of this rock into this hole, that leads to this
one, that leads over to this waterfall, and it goes over to that waterfall, it goes down. Or you got to go this way to that waterfall, to this one, down here to this one. This is really cool. There's a little harbor. Isn't that a little cool? You got a little pasture rest area right there.
Going along, and I find this natural little rock formation here. Kind of chippy. I don't know that it would make a good shelter because it's pretty bumpy down in there. Yep. I think the camera can pick up in the water, but we're trying to scare out a couple trout.
I'll try. I don't know if there ain't that one.
That's one. That's exactly where he went under, but he ain't coming out of there, I guess.
It's real deep.
Oh.
Oh, there's no way. This thing goes out over there. Almost.
Oh, it probably took out to the other side of the rock then, huh?
I don't know if it took out. I don't think it can. No. He's just under. Way under it.
Well, I can see the Coors beer cans there in the bottom through the camera.